Yes, good morning, Nana. Today I will take the YouTube class. Sorted I explained in June class up to 12th bits. Now 13th bit onwards I will start. So coming to first bit, if A and B are two matrices, AB and A plus B are both are defined. That means AB possible, A plus B is also possible. AB possible means number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix B. A plus B exist means both have the same order. These two both are exist means both should be square matrices of same order. Otherwise does not possible. So answer is A comma B are square matrices of same order. Otherwise does not exist. Coming to next question, 15th one. Product of these two matrices is given 11 minus 5. Then they ask him to find 3x plus 7y. Multiply both row into column. 3 into x 3x minus 2 into y minus 2y. Second row into first column minus x plus 2y equal to 11 minus 5. Compare the both. 3x minus 2y equal to 11 minus x plus 2y equal to minus 5. Adding both 2y cancel, 2x equal to 6. Then x equal to 3. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. Substitute in the equation 2. Equation 2 is minus x plus 2y equal to minus 5. Minus 3 plus 2y equal to minus 5. 2y equal to minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. Y obviously minus 2 by 2, that is a minus 1. They asked to find 3x plus 7y. Therefore 3x plus 7y is 3 into 3 plus 7 into minus 1. That is a 9 minus 7 equal to 2 is the answer. Copy it. Coming to next question. This question is given in previous year's questions objective point of view. This note point already we proved in the IPE subject. Subject point of view we proved in the IPE. If A equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then A power n is cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. By using the mathematical notation we did that problem. 2 days back I explained. Next, in this question you are using these two formulas, trigonometry formulas. Cos of 2n pi plus theta. Cos of 2 pi plus theta means first quadrant. That becomes a cos theta. Sin of multiply of 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. Cos of multiply of 2 pi plus theta formula is cos theta. Sin of multiply of 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. These two formulas will come in the trigonometry. Now I will take the theta equal to 2 pi by 33 I will take. That implies 33 theta equal to 2 pi. Theta equal to 2 pi by 33. Then 33 theta equal to 2 pi I will take. A is the cos. This becomes a equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. In place of 2 pi by 3 you have to take the theta. 2 pi by 3 33 place lo theta అని తీసుకోండి. In place of 2 pi by 33 place lo theta అని తీసుకోండి. Then obviously a power 2017 is a power in formula. What is the formula I have? Cos n theta sin n theta. In place of theta n theta will come. In place of n what is it now? 2017. Substitute here. Cos of 2017 theta sin of 2017 theta minus sin of 2017 theta cos of 2017 theta. You have to find the cos of 2017 theta. 2017 nearby multiple of 33. Nearby multiple of 33. 2017 Nearby multiply of 33, you can take it 61 into 33. That is we get 2013 will get 2013. So this 2017 theta will get cos of 61 into 33 theta plus 4 theta. This is the, again I am repeating, 2017 I will write 2013 theta plus 4 theta. This 2013 is the cos of 61 into 33 theta plus 4 theta. What is 33 theta? 2 pi. So this is the cos of 61 into 2 pi plus 4 theta. What is the cos of 2n pi plus theta? Cos theta. In place of theta I have 4 theta is there. Cos 4 theta. Similarly, you have to find sin of 2017 theta is sin of 2013 theta plus 4 theta. 2013 is 61 into 33, cos of 61 into 33 theta plus 4 theta. Sorry, here sin is there. Sin of. So this is a 33 theta means 2 pi. So that is our sin of 61 into 2 pi plus 4 theta. That becomes the sin of 2n pi plus theta is sin theta, sin 4 theta will come. Therefore, a power 2017 is cos 2017 theta sin 2017 theta minus sin 2017 theta cos 2017 theta. Cos 2017 theta, I got it, cos 4 theta, substitute here, cos 4 theta sin 4 theta minus sin 4 theta cos 4 theta. This is the, in place of n you have 4, in place of n what is now 4 you have, so that is a power 4 is the answer. Copy it. These two terms will come in the trigonometry. Coming to next question. Matrix A is given, matrix B is given, matrix C is given. 3b minus 2a into C plus 2x equal to 0 is given. 3b minus 2a into C plus 2x equal to 0 is given. From this you have to find the x. This total term bring the right hand side. 2x equal to 3b minus 2a into C. So first you can find the 3b minus 2a. 2x equal to matrix x equal to 3 into b matrix. B matrix is, what is the B matrix have? 4 1 0 1 minus 2 2. Minus 2 times of a you have 2 0 minus 1 3 1 4 into matrix is 1 2 minus 1. Multiply, this is the 2x equal to 3 multiply and say 3 into 3 4 is 12 3 0 3 minus 6 6. 2 multiply and say 4 0 minus 2 6 2 8 into 1 2 minus 1. Subtract the both matrix. 2x equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Into 1 2 minus 1. Row into column you have to multiply. That is 8 into 1 8. 3 2 is 6 minus 2. Second row into first column. That is a minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus 8 into 2 minus 16. Minus 2 into plus 2. This is finally we will get 14 minus 2 is 12. This is a minus 19 plus 2 is minus 17. So obviously x equal to 1 by 2 into x equal to Yes, sorry Nana, in place of B you have substituted A. So you have in place of B you have to substitute the B. Procedure is correct, but in place of B you have to substitute the B. So from this, what is the B matrix here? 2, 0, minus 1, 3, 1, 4. Minus 2 times of A matrix is 4, 1, 0, 1, minus 2, 2. Into matrix C is 1, 2, minus 1. Previously substituted in place of A, B matrix, in place of B, A matrix substituted. That is the reason you got the answer wrong. Now it says 3 into 2, 6, 0, minus 3, 9, 3, 12. 2 multiply inside 8, 2, 0, 2 minus 4, 4 into 1, 2 minus 1. So this is the, finally we'll get 2x equal to minus of, so this is the minus of row into column 6 minus 8 minus of, we'll get 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3, 9 minus 2 7, 3 minus of minus 4, 3 plus 4 7, 12 minus 4 8 into 1 2 minus 1. So that is 2x equal to minus of row into column you have to multiply, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 3 into plus 1 plus 3. First row and second row in first column, second 7, 7 2 is 14, minus 8. And that is a minus of minus 7 plus 3 is minus 7 plus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So this is a 14, 21 minus 8. 13. Minus multiply inside, that is 3 minus 13. 2 bring the right answer, x equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 13 is the answer. Copy it. Next question, 17th one. A is given 2, 3, 0, 4. Then they are asking to find a square minus 5i. By using the characteristic equation, you have to find the value. I explained already characteristic equation. What I explained the characteristic equation? A is a matrix 2 by 2, that is A, B, C, D. Then the characteristic equation satisfies square minus a square minus beta 1 into a plus beta 2 equal to 0, beta 2 into I. What is the beta 1? Sum of the diagonal elements, that is A plus D. Beta 2 is determinant of the given matrix A, B, C, D, that is the AD minus BC. By using this characteristic equation, you have to find the relation. A is given 2, 3, 0, 4. Then the characteristic equation becomes a square minus beta 1 into a plus beta 2i equal to 0. What is the beta 1? Sum of the diagonal elements, that is 2 plus 4, 6. Beta 2 is the determinant of the given matrix 2, 3, 0, 4. That is AD minus BC, 8 minus 0, that is 8. Substitute in this equation. This equation becomes a square minus beta 1 is 6a, beta 2 is 8, I equal to 0. But they are asking to find a square minus 5i. A square minus, what they are asking to find? So a square value, what is the a square value? 6a minus 8i. Okay, a square minus 5i equal to 6a minus 8i minus 5i. That is 6a minus 13i. 6 matrix 6 is 6 into a matrix is given 2, 3, 0, 4. Minus 13 into I matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. You have to 6 2 is 12. Minus 13 into 1. 12 minus 13. Directly I am writing 6 3 is 18. Minus 13 into 0 is 0. 6 0 0. 30 0 minus 0 0. 6 4 are 24 minus 13. Finally, we'll get minus 1, 18, 0, 21. So finally, we'll get the answer. 1 minus 1, 18, 0, 24 minus 13 is 11. This is the answer. This is the one of the method by using the characteristic equation. Other method is general method. You have to find the a square, subtract from the 5i. A square means a into a you have to find. From that you can subtract the 5i. That is another method. See this problem. They are asking to find a cube minus a square. Characteristic equation is a square minus beta 1 into a plus beta 2 into I equal to 0. So a square beta 1 you have sum of the diagonal element, that is the minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Beta 2 is determinant of the given matrix minus 1 0 0 2, that is that AD minus BC, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 0. So beta 2 is minus 2. So this equation becomes a square minus beta 1 means 1 into a plus beta 2 is minus 2 into I, 2i equal to 0. From this a square minus a equal to how much? 2i. They are asking to find a cube minus a square. So multiplying a on both sides. A, that is a into a square minus a equal to a into 2i. So a cube minus a square equal to 2ai. A into I is a. So that finally is 2a will the answer. A cube minus a square equal to 2a is the answer. Copy it. This problem alternate method also is there. Alternate method, if you want the alternate method means without using the characteristic equation, then you have to find the a square. A square is what? A square you have to find. A square means a into a. And that is 2 3 0 4 2 3 0 4. Row into column you have to multiply, that is a 2 into 2 4 plus 0. Next to 6 plus 12. 0 plus 0, next 0 plus 16, that is a 4, 16, 0, 16, this is the a square value. They are asking to find a square minus 5i. A square is 4, 16, 0, 16, minus 5 into I is 1, 0, 0, 1. So finally we will get 4, 16, 0, 16, minus 5 multiply inside 5, 0, 0, 5. So 4 minus 5 minus 1, 16 minus 0 is, I think this is the 18. 18 minus 0 is 18, 0 minus 0 0, 16 minus 5 is 11. This is the alternate method for the problem. Characteristic equation you have to do, otherwise you can do the general method also. But coming to 19th problem, it will take the lengthy that method. A cube means a square into a. A little bit lengthy will get. So for this problem it is okay, it is short. For this problem it is lengthy. Eighteenth question. If A and B are two matrices, such that AB is 0, product of AB 0 means A and B need not be a null matrix. Answer: A and B need not be a null matrix. A and B need not be a null matrix. Since if it is a real number 0 and something, okay, 0. But for example, if I given one matrix, A is the matrix is given. You have 0 0 1 1. B matrix you can take 1 1 0 0. If you take AB, AB is not A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. AB if you take 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, row into column 1 plus 1 2 will get. This is a 0. This is not equal to 0. Sometimes if you take like this, A matrix is 0 0 1 1. B matrix you can take 1 1 0 0. If you multiply AB now, A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0. Row into column 0 0. One second. AB not equal to 0 will get. If you take like this, 1 1 0 0. B matrix is 0 0 1 1. Multiply row into column. AB 1 into 0 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 1 into 0 0 plus 0, this is also 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Obviously null matrix 0 0 0 0 will get. This is example for A and B not and need not be a null matrix, but product should be equal to 0. Coming to next question, A is given, you have to find AQ minus 4A square minus 6A. By using the characteristic equation also will get, but it is a lengthy procedure. That is the reason I am finding A square and AQ. First I will find A square. A square means A into A, that is 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 into 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. Row into column. That is A square value is 1 plus 4 plus 4 8 9. We get 2 plus 2 8. Sorry, 1 plus 4 plus 4 will get. Next 1 into 2 2 plus 2 plus 4 8 will get. Like this A square value will get 8 9 8 8 8 9. AQ means A square into A, that is a 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 into 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. You have to multiply row into column. 9 into 1 9, 8 to the 16 plus 16. Row into column 9 to the 18 plus 8 plus 16. First row into third column 18 plus 16 plus 8. Same we have diagonal elements will get 9 16 16, remaining is same 8 plus 18 plus 16. This is the 16 plus 9 plus 16. This is the we will get second row and second column. 16 plus 18 plus 8. Same Nana. 16 plus 18 plus 8 will get is also 16 plus 18 plus 8. This is the 16 plus 9 plus 16 will get. So finally AQ value is 32 41. This is the 26 32 42. So finally AQ value 41 42 42 41 42 42 42 41. Finally they are asking to find AQ minus 4A square minus 6A. AQ value have 41 42 42 42 41 42 42 42 41 minus 4 times of A square you have 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 minus 6 into A value you have 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. That is the finally will get subtract 41 minus 4 9 is 36 minus 6. Remaining two elements is same. So 41 minus 42 is minus 1. Coming to this is the 41 minus 4 into 9, 36 minus 6. So now power problem. Next 42 minus 4 into 8, 32 minus 12. 42 minus 32 minus 12 is minus 42. That is minus 2 will get. So obviously this is a minus 1, no, something will get. This is options minus common, we get 1. Options in terms of A is given. Options in terms of A have. So A first row first element is what? 1. So here first row first element is 1. So this obviously we get A before minus n. So minus A is the answer. Copy that problem. These remaining elements you can do the homework. Coming to next question. A is given Aij of a scalar matrix. Aij of scalar matrix. Then trace of A is asking. Trace of A means we know the sum of all diagonal elements. That is first row first element plus second row second element plus third row third element. Up to and so on nth row nth element if A is n by n matrix. So this can be written as sigma I A I. Sigma I and J A I. Both suffix values are equal. Then you have to write A11, A122, A33. That is A I sigma I equal to 1 to n. They are not given the order. That is the reason I am not mentioning up to what is the order. I equal to 1 to n or sigma I A you have to write. Since the both numbers are equal. Now coming to 22nd. If P is a square matrix with P square is what is given? P square is P is given. You have to find the P plus I whole power 4. P plus I whole power 4. P plus I whole power 4 can write power 4 you have to write P plus I whole square whole square. Whole square whole square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, what is the formula I have? P square plus I square plus Pi plus IP. So Pi and IP both are same. Pi equal to IP equal to P. Pi P into identity matrix equal to identity P matrix equal to P. That finally P square value already P. I square is I. This is the P plus P whole square. That is the finally 3P plus I whole square equal to 3P plus I whole square. Again A plus B whole square you have to apply. A square 3P whole square 9P square plus I square plus 3PI plus I into 3P. So P square value is P, 9P, I square value is I. Pi means P, Pi means P, 3 into P. That is a 9 plus 3P plus 3P, 15P plus I. Should remember in the matrix multiplication, A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus AB plus BA. That is the reason P plus I whole square is written P square plus I square plus PI plus IP. But identity matrix into one matrix A is A. P into I equal to P. I into P equal to P. Now coming to, now see this 23rd. If trace of A is given 7. 23rd problem. Trace of A equal to 7. We know the formula trace of K into A equal to K times of trace of A. Trace of K into A equal to K times of trace of A. So trace of 7A equal to 7 times of trace of A. So 7 into, what is trace of A have? 7. 7 7 ja 49 is the answer. Copy that. Coming to next question. A is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means A transpose equal to A. Skew symmetric matrix means A transpose equal to minus A. Again I am repeating. A is skew symmetric is given. A is skew symmetric. That means A transpose equal to minus A here. In skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements equal to 0. So sum of all diagonal elements should be equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Otherwise you can take trace of A transpose is trace of A. We know that trace of A transpose equal to trace of A. Trace of minus A equal to minus trace of A. By using these 2 points, you can apply this left side. So trace of A transpose equal to trace of minus A. Trace of A transpose is what? Trace of A. Trace of minus A is what? Minus trace of A. Take in left hand side. Trace of A plus trace of A equal to 0. That is 2 times of trace of A is 0. Obviously trace of A equal to 0. This is the answer. Coming to 25th. If A equal to Aj is a scalar matrix of order n by n is given. Aii equal to k. That means A11 value, A22 value, A33 value up to and so on. Ann equal to is given k for all I is given. Suffix values are equal, that value is k. Scalar matrix means all diagonal elements should be constants. So trace of A means we know the formula trace of A equal to A11 plus A22 plus A33 plus and so on Ann. All values are k, k plus k plus k plus and so on k n times. 2 we can add by 2 times, 2 plus 2 4. 2 we have to add by 3 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. 2 we can add in by 4 times, 2 plus 2 4, 2 is 8. So this is the n times of k. As trace of A equal to n times of k. Copy it. Coming to next 26th question. Trace of A equal to 19. Trace of A is 19 is given and trace of B is given 8. Trace of A minus B is trace of A minus trace of B. Trace of A minus B is trace of A minus trace of B. That is a 19 minus 8 that equal to 11 is the answer. Next 27th question. Trace of A is 2 plus I is given. Trace of 2 minus I into A. We know the formula trace of K into A equal to sorry. Trace of K into A equal to K times of trace of A. Trace of K into A equal to K times of trace of A. So trace of 2 minus I into A is equal to 2 minus I into trace of A. What is trace of A is given 2 plus I. 2 minus I into 2 plus I. a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, 2 square minus I square, 2 square 4, I square value minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. Copy that problem. Coming next question, trace of A is given 3, trace of B is 5 is given. They are asking the trace of A into B. Trace of A into B, A and B are two matrices, then trace of A into B not equal to trace of A into trace of B. So, trace of AB is cannot say. For addition multiplication, you are adding the corresponding elements and subtracting the corresponding, for addition and subtraction, again I am repeating, addition and subtracting, you are adding corresponding elements, you are subtracting corresponding elements. But multiplication, whenever you are doing the multiplication, you are multiplying row into column. So trace of A into B is not equal to trace of A into trace of B, then trace of AB is cannot say. Now coming to this matrix, they given A transpose equal to minus A, that means A is skew symmetric matrix. A is the skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric means all diagonal elements should be equal to 0. All diagonal elements should be equal to 0. Obviously x equal to 0 will get. Next, coming to next question. P plus Q is one square matrix is given. P is a symmetric. What is given? P is a symmetric. Symmetric means P transpose equal to P. Q is skew symmetric. That means Q transpose equal to minus Q. P symmetric means P transpose equal to P. Q symmetric means Q transpose equal to minus Q. They are asking to find the Q. Apply the transpose of the given matrix. That means P plus Q whole transpose. P plus Q, what is given? 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This is called 1. You can take the whole transpose, P plus Q whole transpose. First row you can write as a column. First one column lo rayana 2, 3, 5. Second row you have to write as a column 4, 1, 2. Third row you can write as a column 1, 2, 1. A plus B whole transpose is A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. So this is the P transpose plus Q transpose is right side same matrix 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. P transpose value is P. Q transpose value is minus Q, plus into minus Q equal to 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1 is called the 2. Equation 1 is the P plus Q. Equation 2 is the P minus Q. They are asking the Q. If they want to find the P means you can add the both, we get the 2P value. From that you have to find the P value. They are asking the Q means you can separate the 1 and 2. 1 minus 2 you have to do. We get P plus Q minus of P minus Q. Minus P plus Q will get 2Q value will get. Subtracting both, 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 5 minus 1 4. Second row, first one 4 minus 3 1. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0 will get. From that we get the q value. From that you have to find the value of q. Then q equal to 2, bring the right answer, it goes to denominator. 0 by 2 is 0, minus 1 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 1 by 2, 0 by 2 0, 0, minus 4 by 2 minus 2, 0, 0 is the answer. Q matrix is. Copy that. Up to 31 you can maintain the classwork. Some disturbances are there today, a power problem, that problem, when I did the recording at the time. So tomorrow onwards you can say next problems. Bye.